Today, my alarm went off at 12:30 p.m. by Mira Gonzalez. I stayed in bed for over an hour, looked at things on my phone. I felt slightly anxious about nothing particular. I walked downstairs and poured coffee into a jar. I asked a person on the internet if I should take drugs. I took drugs before the person had time to respond. I feel alienated by people who express concern about me without defining their concern in terms of a specific solution or goal. I don't feel comforted by the idea of an afterlife. I don't want to continue experiencing things after I die. I want someone to pull my hair because I like the idea of someone controlling my head without touching my head. What is the difference between being an independent person and being a person who is accepting of loneliness?